Hi class. On this particular problem here, we're going to work this very similar to another video that I made with variance, but instead, for this particular problem, we're attempting to use the standard deviation as the estimator. So the first thing they want me to do is to find the population standard deviation. So that's going to be the population standard deviation for 2, 6, and 7. So I use stdev.p, highlight the three values. So here is my population standard deviation. So that's going to be 2.160. 2.160. So now they want me to complete this table, much in the same way that I did for the variance problem. And as you can see here, I have these tabular values right here. I've already tabulated the values, created the order pairs, and then found the sample standard deviation using stdev.s for each of these. So as you can see, clearly the first value is going to be 0, and there's going to be 3 out of 9 for that one. The second value is going to be 0.707, and there are 2 of those. That's going to be 2 out of 9 for that one. The next value is 2.828, or excuse, yeah, 828, and again there are 2 out of 9 for that one. And then finally 3.536, and there are 2 out of 9 for that one. And so this is going to be my distribution. And now I can actually come in and create the appropriate distribution over here in Excel. So let me copy this value here and just do a paste special, and copy this value here and do a paste special, and copy this value here and then do a paste special, and then enter the appropriate probabilities. Okay, 2 divided by 9, and then copy this down. So basically this right here is the same as this right here. Now they want me to find the mean of the sampling distribution of the standard deviations. So now what I need to do is again do an expected value calculation where I multiply each value by its corresponding probability and then add these results up. So let me do that right here. And that gives me 1.571. So the mean of the sampling distribution of the standard deviations to 3 decimal places is 1.571. 1.571. And now, do the sample standard deviations target the value of the population standard deviation? Well, clearly you can see that they do not. I have one value here, I have one value here. They are not the same. So therefore, let's look at these responses. So right away I can tell you that B and D are not going to be valid. C is going to be the answer. The sample standard deviations do not target the population standard deviation. Therefore, sample standard deviations are biased estimators. I'm sorry, A. Excuse me. Sample standard deviation, let's see. Therefore, they're not unbiased, they're biased. So I clicked C incorrectly. It actually should have been A. They are, I said it correctly, they're biased estimators, not unbiased. So A is the answer. Thank you.